Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doki. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to play this very melody, either for preaching or meditation. This is part 2. I've done a part 1 on this very series. So I played this on the key of F. See what I started with. On your left, so your F is your Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So I used it on my left. This is what I played. Your do, sol, do. Then on your right is your sol, do, re, mi, sol. So I started with the progression of that I use here is your do, sol, then your la. Your re, then back to your do. That's 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2. Back to your 1. So this is the progression that I played here. So this is exactly what I played. I started with this. Started with my left. Just play your do, so do. Your do, so do, re, mi, so. And you play your so again. This song will now introduce this full chord of the song. So again. So do, re, mi, so. Do, so de, re, mi, so. So, your so, re, so. Then on your right you play your ti, re, so. Again. So I do this. See? Again. Once you play your do, so, do, ti, do, you do it fast. Once you play it, then you play your la to mi on your left. Then you play this la, do, re, mi. So again. This is the next one. Again, let's start from beginning. I'll be slow. this one. Slowly, once you play your do, ti, do, and your la to your mi, then la, do, re, mi. Then the next one is ti, do, la, ti, do, ti, la, do. You get it? Ti, do, ti, la, do. Once you play this, this will now introduce your la. See. See what I did here? You play your re, fa, la on your left. Then on your right, you play your re, fa, sol, la, do. Hope you got it. Re, fa, sol, la, do. You know, something like this. Let me start from the beginning. No, this is the second one. Again. That's for the first one. I did like 2 progression there. Do, ti, do, ti, do, la. So with the beat, you get something like this. That's just it. Then for the second one, I was doing something like this. This is a bit simple. You will play your ti, do, so, 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 ti. You now be playing your foot, the very progression on your left, and on your right, you just be doing this fingering. Do, so. Same thing. La, la. It's a bit simple. See, with the beat, you get something like this. See, this is how to just give some spice. If you are in the church for worship or for meditation, you can play this. Let me play it from the beginning to the end, then we end this tutorial. So guys, this is how to put some melody when you are in the church for preaching and relaxation and meditation. That's it guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I remain Vidokis. God bless.